How to turn it off. So we give up. We turn this one off, which is like the isolator switch for it, right?
Yeah.
And then we say, okay, we cook eggs. Then we go to use this one. Nothing working.
What's that thing there?
Plastic.
Ah.
That's why it's not cooking.
Oh my god, the plastic, this happened after 50 minutes.
Pretty good plastic. It didn't burn. Imagine if it melted and burned and dripped all over the oven. We might as well stuff up everything on the same night. Get it all out of the way.
Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. So our new oven here guys, this is our first time cooking today.
Yes.
So we're going to put the lasagna there.
Yes, but because it's the first time using it, we had to take everything out and wash it and run it at 250 for half an hour. That's what the instruction says. I'm supposed to get rid of any residue or whatever. And it's got 13 functions. The old one just had a dial to turn for the temperature. This one we have to work out everything. But we got convection and fan force going at the moment.
Yeah.
Timer.
That's the light there. Just press in there guys. So yeah. Turn off.
So we're still learning it out, but it is, you can smell a bit of chemical residue.
So this one is the timer. That one. That's
This one's to choose the function and then turn that to things on the function. I don't really know.
this one, if you want convection oven or convection oven with fan, which is that one, and then if you turn this one, and the 100, the temperature, like for example 180 here, so you use this one knob to add more.
Yeah, to control the
Yeah,
function.
yeah.
That one for the function and that one to adjust the function.
Yeah.
But anyway, we'll get used to it, I suppose.
Yeah. So how many minutes now? Was only 5 minutes
to
remaining.
Then we have to let it cool down. Wipe it out again. And then apparently we can cook lasagna.
Yeah.
Which should be good, because we had a week of takeaways.
Then take away for few days. Nothing today.
No.
We're trying.
I'm embarrassed, I'm not saying.
We're not saying.
You did it. And we both did it.
We tried today, guys, to put the oven for the first time.
Yes.
Preheat, quick preheat, and then afterwards,
The fan wasn't switching off.
because the
We're used to
manual,
gas.
yeah, the manual said that need to turn off till it's cooled down.
Yes.
But we tried to turn
When we
off.
turn it off, the air's still pumping out for like 15 minutes. And then we don't know how to turn it off. So we give up. We turn this one off, which is like the isolator switch for it, right?
Yeah.
And then we say, okay, we cook eggs. Then we go to use this one. Nothing working. We crack the shits. And then about an hour goes by and then goes, I'm going to ring Simon. And then when we turn this back on, this one works. Well, hopefully.
Yeah, it's working now.
So this one isolates here because you got switches under there. But that's the main isolator. So he came here and in 3 minutes he said, you idiots, I know how to fix it. you put it more politely than that, but totally embarrassed. So I don't know why I'm making a video. I don't want anyone to know. Lanih was doing it.
So you guys also, if you have these appliances,
So now that it's cooled down, we can wipe it out again and maybe we can have lasagna for dinner.
so guys, so if you,
So thank you.
yeah, thank you,
So
Simon.
don't all leave when you just realise how dumb we are.
I'm sorry for bothering you again.
We're going to put it on a tray and put it on the bottom, or we're going to move this one down the bottom?
Yeah, down the bottom maybe.
You just put it on a tray in the top one.
Put this one on.
Where are the trays?
So we just have a ready cooked lasagna here, guys.
Yeah, it's funny.
It's really funny.
It's not funny.
It's funny and embarrassing.
You're going to be sick of us. 2 weeks, he's probably going, I can't wait for another bloody week when the other rooms are finished.
So that one, just add the knob. No, not yet. You need to add the temperature. So 180 for that one? Lasagna, 180?
No, the light comes on automatic.
So that's how you cook or start your oven, guys. So we wait another, because
when this gets up, what did it say? 8 bars or something?
8 bars.
When it works its way up to 8 of these lights, then you know it's at temperature.
Okay.
There is preheat. There's 13 functions on it, but we're just going to be happy at the moment with the basic ones because we're getting hungry here.
We're not gonna wait for the 8 bars because Craig is hungry already. It's hot now, Missy. Yeah, it's hot.
Now you have to try and set the time.
It's a time. Set the time, the alarm. So I put how many? 50 minutes.
That's hours.
Oh, that's hours.
Go
Back to zero, and now press this one again. This one now is flashing, so you can turn this knob
Give me the old click
to
timer.
50.
Timer.
It's in there.
Now you have to press start,
And
don't you?
press this one again. Yeah.
Don't you have to press start?
No, it's alright like that.
I'm sure.
It start when the oven is already starting.
I don't know. Didn't you have to press this
No,
one?
no need. Because we only put the alarm.
I don't know.
The oven is already on.
Maybe when it gets to temperature, then it switches over to time. Or does it stay on temperature?
It's still, the temperature 200.
So it doesn't have a countdown. It just goes off.
You-
I like to look and say, oh, 17.
Here, this one, we press this one. You can tell there 50. The temperature should not be flashing when it's on.
Yes. If the temperature's flashing, then the oven's on pause. When the solid temperature, it's working. 8 bars, it's up to temperature.
We hear the beeping now already, guys. So we'll see. It's already 50 minutes past. The alarm's beeping.
Dun, 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 dun.
Dun, 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 dun.
Maybe I turn the light on.
Yeah. There.
Looks like it needs longer.
Yeah. It's still not cooking. The top is not brown yet, so maybe. What's that thing there?
Plastic.
Ah.
That's why it's not cooking. We left plastic on it. It's going from bad to worse.
Why you leave that one there, babe?
I don't know.
Huh?
Didn't mean to. Lucky it didn't melt and go all over the oven.
Oh my goodness. Reggie, what did you do?
I don't remember.
I just noticed it for 50 minutes. 50 minutes, the plastic there.
Maybe we need to change the function, put the top one on too so it browns. That one. Can you put another 10? Oh, if I press that.
What this one you put?
It means it's got...
What is that?
It's got the thing above.
What for?
Elements above. Before we had on eco, only the element below. Now we got the element above and below to make it browner on top. And no plastic.
I can't believe there is. I can't believe there is a plastic in the base. For the first time, we cook.
I don't know. Don't look at me. Why isn't this going back to 8? Because I opened the door, maybe.
For the first time, when the plastic is distracting me. I distracted with the other one before.
What an after evening this has been.
Oh my goodness. What did you put there? That one is... There's nothing saying here.
Oh, I can't read it. It's the next page.
Here this one, conventional plus fun. That one, conventional plus fun. So what we did before?
I don't know.
I think this
This one.
that one?
The pizza one.
Oh, that's a pizza. I can't remember what you put before. I think this one you put, I'm not
I
sure.
don't really know what's going on because it's dropped temperature. Is it working or not? The 200 is not flashing.
Maybe it's paused there.
No. When it's paused, the temperature flashes, I think. See? Huh? Huh? With the lights on.
Let me see.
Oh, God. It's better be good lasagna.
Oh my God, the plastic, this happened after 50 minutes.
Pretty good plastic. It didn't burn. Imagine if it melted and burned and dripped all over the oven.
This is getting worse. This is getting worse, babe. What did you do? Plastic. You forgot to take that one off.
Are we? We're not tired. We're not tired at all.
Oh my goodness. Cricket.
And it's reheating back up because it's 5 and flashing now.
Oh my God. For the first time.
Yeah.
It happened tonight.
If we're going to stuff up, we might as well stuff up everything on the same night. Get it all out of the way.
Oh my goodness. Hopefully it's gonna cook after 10 minutes. It's gonna be flavored by plastic. No?
Well, look, if the plastic had burnt, maybe the fumes from the plastic burning, but it didn't burn.
Are we still gonna save to eat that lasagna?
We'll get to the kids first.
No.
Yeah, it'll be alright.
Are you sure?
Yeah, because it hasn't burnt.
Maybe it's not good idea to eat.
It's only melted. It's only gone.
50 minutes, babe.
It hasn't burnt. If it had gone black and burnt and toxic smoke, probably not. But We'll test it on the kids first.
I'm not gonna eat it, you eat it.
Anyway, we'll have to get used to it because it had a gas oven for the last 15 years. 10 minutes later, let's see.
Okay. That's good. So we remember this one. We
put the top one, it browned the top off. Look at that. Perfect.
Perfect now. So another 60 minutes to cook this one, guys, the lasagna. So we search in the internet, guys. No, a bit more, that one. So I searched, I Google it about the plastic, if it is safe to eat.
Turned off.
It turned off.
I'll press the button and turn off. We'll just see how long it keeps pushing the heat out.
Okay, so again I searched the Google, babe.
Did you?
Yeah, I did. If it is safe to to eat.
Because it doesn't smell.
Plastic,
if the plastic released fumes and was burnt, then you wouldn't eat it.
Okay.
But the plastic hasn't, and you can't smell it. You could tell.
Can you smell the plastic?
No, you smell it. It smells beautiful.
I can smell lasagna. This is the very first time cooking our new oven electric platinum.
What's the time now?
The time is, I look in my phone, 7:48.
It's good. It's only taken us about 4 hours to work it out. You wouldn't believe the dramas. But anyway, it's good. Let's eat it.
So put in the plate.
Now I don't know where anything is in the kitchen now. Knives,
in here, our plates here. So Craig will gonna eat his lasagna first.
No.
Why?
You need a knife and a spatula.
Do we have? I think we just have. We just use this knife or this one.
No, this one.
Which one? This one. And you want this one?
No. I want something to lift it out with.
I can still hear. That's the fun I can hear
That's
still.
what caused the problem in the first place.
Okay, will eat.
Still need something to lift it out.
There. And
It's hot.
very hot. It just cooked. It's very hot. So taste it.
No, I'm the test guinea pig. Am I?
The dry's coming. It's still hot.
It's very hot.
It's still very hot.
You want some, Edward? Tastes fine.
Tastes good? Okay.
Okay, thank you. It's been an episode, but thank you. I enjoyed it even more. So, new to the channel, consider subscribing. If you realise we're totally idiots, please don't unsubscribe. Just we'll move on. Thank you very much. Bye-bye. Have you ever done stupid things before? Like that?
Leave comments, guys. Thank you. Bye-bye. I'm eating the lasagna.
Nice bowls.
Tastes good, guys. There's no taste plastic.